Welcome to Car Reviews. Today we bring you something truly extraordinary and unlike anything you've seen before. Yes, Ferrari has entered the motorhome world with their brand new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. This is not just any luxury vehicle, it's the perfect fusion of Italian racing heritage, ultra-modern technology, and high-end motorhome comfort that sets new standards for what luxury travel on wheels should look like. At first glance, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome carries the unmistakable DNA of Ferrari's legendary design. The sleek, aerodynamic body lines, aggressive front fascia, and iconic Ferrari red instantly remind you of their supercars, but on a much larger scale. Ferrari has managed to design a motorhome that doesn't just look fast standing still, it actually embodies speed and luxury in every curve. Even the wheels and exhaust system scream performance, while the Ferrari badge proudly reminds everyone that this isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement. Now, let's step inside, and this is where things get even more mind-blowing. The Ferrari Motorhome's interior is a blend of race-inspired luxury and futuristic comfort. High-grade leather, carbon fiber accents, and Alcantara wrap the cabin, while the ambient LED lighting creates a cinematic atmosphere. The living area features fully automated reclining seats, a smart infotainment system with Ferrari's own AI assistant, and a panoramic roof that gives you an open-air feeling wherever you travel. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, from induction cooktops to a smart fridge that syncs with your phone for grocery updates. Moving further, the bedroom brings a 5-star hotel experience on wheels. A king-sized smart bed with memory foam, climate control, and even a built-in entertainment wall ensures that you don't just travel, you live in absolute luxury. The bathroom follows the same philosophy with a rainfall shower, touch-controlled mirrors, and premium finishes that feel like a spa on wheels. Now, let's talk about performance, because no Ferrari is complete without a beast under the hood. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V12 engine paired with advanced electric motors, delivering astonishing power while maintaining eco-efficiency. Despite being a motorhome, it offers acceleration and handling that no one could imagine in this category. Ferrari engineers have incorporated adaptive suspension, precision steering, and even track-inspired braking systems to give you the thrill of driving a Ferrari, but in a luxury motorhome. Technology is another area where Ferrari has gone above and beyond. The cockpit features a fully digital dashboard, augmented reality navigation, autopilot driving modes, and even remote control access through a Ferrari app. Safety is prioritized with AI-assisted driving, automatic lane adjustments, and 360-degree cameras ensuring complete peace of mind on every journey. In short, the Ferrari Motorhome 2026 is not just transportation, it's an experience, a revolution in luxury travel. It brings together Ferrari's performance DNA with next-level comfort, making it the dream vehicle for those who demand both speed and lifestyle. Whether you're cruising through the highways of Europe or exploring scenic mountain routes, this motorhome promises to turn every trip into an unforgettable Ferrari adventure. So, what do you think about the Ferrari Motorhome 2026? Is this the future of luxury travel? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Reviews for more exclusive insights into the world's most exciting vehicles.